So today I got groceries from Whole Food that I have ordered online, and in groceries I got old fashioned oats that I want to have for my oat milk that I'm going to create. Then after oat milk I bought some onions that I want for curries and salads in general. Of course, my brown egg. I am a huge egg eater, so I generally eat brown eggs from different brands, but I got two of them from 365. It's good, I would say. After that, I get avocados. Now, avocados is my staple these days because I eat in breakfast every day, maybe guacamole or avocado toast. With that, I have some tomatoes for my curries, salads, and I have bought Oatly just to see if I like the oat milk. With that, of course, mango chunks for my shakes and carrots because I'm going to make some juices of it. I have bought these bottles, two of them from Amazon, and it is absolutely what it looks like for my juices to keep. Now, here I'm sanitizing it by boiling some water and keeping them here for almost 5 minutes. So I'll start by cutting some half of my carrots, and similarly I will be juicing some apples because it has softened up and I really don't like eating it up. With that, I will be adding some ginger in my carrot juice. Mix it, blend it, and use your cheesecloth to get all the goodness from it. And I will be saving that pulp to make some, I'm not sure, but to make some patties out of it. Here, after doing it, I started filling up my glass bottles, and trust me, it was exactly how you get it outside your home in restaurants or in Whole Food or maybe in some shops. It was better than that. It was original, it was fresh, and you can make it from your home from scratch. Best of it. Because I know that tomorrow I will be getting a COVID vaccine, and for that, you really need to get hydrated. I'm preparing my second batch of carrot juice in a similar way, and I will be storing in my second glass bottle that I have bought from Amazon. The link is in the description box if you want to have it. I generally remove the foaming at the uh, top of it because I don't like it, but if you are okay with it, you can put it just like that in your glass bottle. I mean, look at the color. It's vibrant and it stays like that at least 2 weeks, I would say. So the Amazon provide one of the cap with nozzle on it so that you can pour your juice right out of your bottle. You don't have to do, every time open it and close it. You just need to open that red one, and that's it. So here is my two bottles that I will be drinking after my COVID vaccine. And similarly, it's a juice number 2 from apples. So if you don't like apple which has been softened, you can just blend them up in a similar way, and once it is blended, you can take out every ounce of juice out of it using cheesecloth. And if you have ever had apple juice or appy fizz, I'm not sure if you had, but it tastes exactly like that, or I would say much better than that. So if you love apple juice and you crave for some sweetness, you can definitely go for this one. Now I have apple juice, but I had some of the carrot juice remaining. So what I am doing here is I'm adding up apple juice and carrot juice because it tastes better, it's healthier, you're getting vitamin A and vitamin C all together. So yeah, good for your eyes, good for your brain. Cheers guys, you need to taste it. But I'll be keeping all these in my fridge so that it stays as fresh as how it is today for almost 2 weeks. So I came for my COVID vaccine second dose. I had my first dose 24 days. So you can have your second dose even if you don't have it on 21st day. You can rebook your vaccine accordingly. And done. Let's have some freshly squeezed carrot juice. Let's make juice number 3, and that is celery juice. Now, celery is very good for your digestion, and I know it might not taste well, but you will get used to it. So, here I'm taking 2 stalks of celery, which would cost you 2.9 or $1.9 depending on from where you're getting. I will be cutting it down in small pieces so that it blends well. By now, I think you know the drill, guys. You just have to blend it using water. You can put some ginger in it and use cheesecloth to squeeze out celery juice. The color here would not be that green because my blender broke and I had to get new blender. So the celery stalks basically get dried up and become brownish or more pale in color. So here the color would not be a bright green but more of a dull green or brownish color, but trust me, the taste is exactly the same. It won't change. So I will not be wasting it and will be drinking it in my upcoming days. So let me know, guys, which of these 3 drinks would you be trying, and till then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.